Welcome to PrimeXBT. In this video, we'll show you how margin or leverage trading works and impacts the results of your trades. PrimeXBT allows you to open positions larger in size compared to your balance. This is called margin or leverage trading. Essentially, margin trading amplifies trading results so that traders can realize larger profits on successful trades. PrimeXBT is using a cross-margin method, which means that the entire account balance is shared across all open positions. Differently from the isolated margin method, all unrealized profits on open positions are adding margin to your total balance and automatically offset all losing trades. Under cross-margin mode, the trader cannot manually select the leverage. Instead, the margin requirement is calculated using the maximum leverage allowed. However, a trader can control his leverage by adjusting the position size. The smaller the position size, the less margin will be used from the account balance to open such positions. When you open a new order, you'll notice an information field called Margin Impact. This is the amount of funds that will be locked on your trading account to open the position. In trading, this is referred to as margin. Let's see how it works in practice. If we wish to open a position of 1 Bitcoin in the Bitcoin USD trading pair, our required margin would be 0.01. This means for every 1 Bitcoin in position size, you only need 1/100th of a Bitcoin as margin on your trading account. You can trade a position size that is 100 times as big as your account balance. In this case, the leverage is 1 to 100. When opening and maintaining positions, it's important to keep an eye on the available margin. Should your available margin drop below 0%, your trading positions may be automatically liquidated to ensure coverage of losses. We highly recommend never to utilize 100% of your available margin. You'll receive an intra-platform and email notification, which will warn you that your available margin is low and liquidation of positions may occur with further losses. However, keep in mind that markets sometimes can move so fast that you'll not be able to react to these messages. You can easily see the impact the leverage will have on your potential profits and losses by placing a stop loss and take profit together with your order. More information on the leverage offered on different currency pairs can be found on our website, PrimeXBT.com, inside the Fees section. Please familiarize yourself with all of the information before opening a position. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll show you how to profit from the trading ideas of other traders using the PrimeXBT co-vesting platform.